Hello class 8th student, it's a part 18 wildlife sanctuaries. It is smaller in areas as compared to national park. As we see the biosphere reservoirs and the national park. Third one we are going to read, that is wildlife sanctuaries. It is smaller in area. Means these are situated in a small area as we compare to the national park and the biosphere reservoirs. It preserves wildlife in their natural surrounding. Means the natural surrounding in which these organisms or the animals are lived, they preserve in their natural surrounding. It helps to educate people about the conservation techniques involved, and public is allowed accompanied by forest officials. Means persons are allowed here for to teach or the learn the conservation techniques. Those people who are educated, they can or the to educate people about the conservation technique for the giving some help in their conservation techniques, or for to educate pupils about the conservation technique, how to conserve the animals or the plants, or how to conserve this wildlife. And some pupils are or the public is allowed here by accompanied by forest officials. Means with after permitting from the forest department or with the help of some forest officials, we can entering in that zones. Activities such as poaching, hunting and logging, means cutting down of the wood, hunting the animals or taking their body parts, are strictly prohibited in these wildlife sanctuaries also. Their borders are not well defined. As we see, the national parks borders are well defined, but their borders are not well defined. Collecting forest product and building private organizations are allowed only if they do not cause disturbance to the wildlife. Means the persons are allowed here which want to collect some forest products and for building private organization, for making some private companies or organizations, they are allowed there, but only if they do not disturb the wildlife. They can collect the forest product, but they need not to disturb the wildlife. There are more than 400 wildlife sanctuaries in India. More than 400. Dandeli Wildlife Sanctuary in Karnataka, Chinnar Wildlife Sanctuary in Kerala, and Ranganathu Bird Sanctuary in Karnataka are some example of these wildlife sanctuaries. Here a map of India is given to you. When you keenly observe it, then you find here some symbols are given to you. Look here, this symbol showing the national park in whole the India map, and elephant showing the wildlife sanctuary. This tiger shows the tiger reservoirs, and these birds shows the bird sanctuaries. While you observe this whole India's map, you can see here. Look here. Hope so it is visible to all of you. So in whole India there are so many wildlife sanctuaries, national park and the biosphere reservoirs. Thank you class. We continue in the next topic.